Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the latest feature that's making waves on the Pixel 8 Pro, the Video Boost. Google's been hyping it up for a while and now it's finally here. But is it all that it's cracked up to be? Let's find out. Okay, first let's talk about Video Boost and what it is. It's essentially a computational photography mode that promises dramatic improved video quality in low light conditions. It uses a combination of software and hardware tricks like AI noise reduction and multi-frame processing to brighten up your footage without sacrificing detail or introducing excessive noise. Okay, so using Video Boost is super simple. Just fire up your camera app on your Pixel 8 Pro. Go ahead and open that up. We'll go ahead and click on Video. Then we're going to go ahead and click on the settings icon. And we're going to make sure that Video Boost is turned on. Once that's turned on, then we can go ahead and swipe back down. And that's it. Now you're ready to go and can capture stunning low light videos. Now the real test is, does Video Boost actually work? Well, let's put it to the test. I took my Pixel 8 Pro out for a spin in some pretty challenging lighting conditions, and the results were honestly mind-blowing. As you can see, the difference is undeniable. The Video Boost footage is significantly brighter with more vibrant colors and sharper details, even in near darkness. You can actually make out what's going on. It's like having a built-in night vision camera in your pocket. Of course, no technology is perfect. The Video Boost is no exception. In certain extreme cases, you might see some occasional artifacts or noise. But even then, the overall improvement in image quality is so significant that it's definitely worth the trade-off. So there you have it. Video Boost is a game changer for low light videography on the Pixel 8 Pro. It's not just a gimmick. It's a powerful tool that lets you capture stunning footage in situations where you wouldn't even dare to point your camera before. If you're a Pixel 8 Pro owner and you haven't tried Video Boost yet, what are you waiting for? Go out there and start shooting. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this look at the new Video Boost feature on the Pixel 8 Pro. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what your thoughts are. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for more awesome tech content. We'll see you next time. Thanks again for watching.